This module provides training for accessing the North Dakota Healthcare Directive Registry by proxy. Accessing an account by proxy means that you will be working in a particular account on someone's behalf. For example, an elderly parent may have requested that an adult child assist him in maintaining documents in his account. Another example is for those who do estate planning or are advanced care planning facilitators. People who work in these roles often assist clients in managing accounts. I will show the recommended process and demonstrate a suggestion for those who may be accessing multiple accounts by proxy. You will need to have your own account set up within the registry. The process for this has been demonstrated in a previous recording. First, you will have to log into your own account, and it will be helpful to have your user ID and password ready. The second thing you will need is the information on the blue PIN cards for the account you will be accessing by proxy. In the demonstration example, I will be accessing Petunia's account by proxy. Using the information on the blue PIN card, I have already entered the website address into my browser and am at the home page, which offers the options to create an account or log into an existing account. For this purpose, we will be logging into an existing account. I have entered my user ID and password from my own account that I set up previously. The user ID and the access ID are different. Be sure to enter them into the appropriate fields. I am ready to click Login. You can choose whether or not to save your password. These pages will display differently depending on the size of your screen. When I'm using my full screen, it displays this way, and when I split my screen, it displays this way. This page gives the option to manage my own account or manage someone else's account. Of course, to access an account by proxy means that you will be managing someone else's account. You will need to refer to the blue PIN card and simply enter the access ID and PIN number. You can point and double click to highlight the code and right click to copy and paste it into each field. You could also choose to type them in by free text if you want. Click the box to confirm that you are not a robot, and then click Manage Someone Else's Account. This will take me into Petunia's account and allow me to update any information as needed and as allowed by the settings chosen by Petunia. You can see here that I am logged in as Lisa, and Lisa will be making any changes to the updated account. If we take a look at Petunia's account that she established, you can see Petunia is logged in here. When she first created her account, she was able to set the capabilities that she would allow for her proxy users. In this case, Petunia has given full access to make updates in each section. I would complete any work I needed to do in Petunia's account, and the final step would be to log out. The suggestion I would make for people who will be managing multiple accounts is when you do your initial account setup, consider creating a business account using information that identifies your business. Using the process that has been demonstrated in a previous training, in the first step of creating the account, select a user ID that easily identifies this as your business account. If you are in a role that requires you to manage multiple accounts, log in using your business user ID. This will keep your personal account and business work separate. To quickly demonstrate that, you can see that I have entered the ABC Agency Business Account information, the user ID and the password. And when I click Login, I can choose whether or not to save my password. And perhaps in this case, I would want to because I may be logging in frequently. But you can see here that the ABC employee is logged in. And now you would be able to go back, and if you are an estate planner for Petunia, you could log into her account just like I did previously. I have copied and pasted the access ID and the PIN number, and then I would go into Petunia's account, and now it shows that I'm logged in as the agency employee and would have the capability of managing her account. I would complete my work and I would log out. If you have additional questions or need further assistance, please contact ND Hin.